What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video. Guys, a big shout out to you that watched my video yesterday. Yesterday was a very bad day, there was a lot of FUD into the market because of the Binance being sued by the SEC and we saw a huge dump on the markets. But I told you guys, don't freak out, we are not done yet, we still have to watch these levels right here. And I even gave you a very good trade opportunity to the upside. And if you watched my video yesterday, you saw this opportunity. And if you took part on this trade as well, you are now at massive profits, at least 5%. And of course, 5% if you didn't use any leverage. I used, of course, and I used 10% of leverage. So yes, I'm up now 50%. So if you want to know the next steps for Bitcoin and the next thing that I'm going to be doing for my Bitcoin long position, stick with me until the end of this video. But before that guys, click in the link down below if you didn't sign up to Bybit yet. By clicking there, you're going to have access to this page right here and you can see that you can claim up to $30,000 bonus depending on how much you are willing to deposit and trade. It's a very reliable exchange and I use this for my own trades. That's why I recommend to you guys. I know that there are some people still using Binance for this type of trade. I don't want to bring more FUD to Binance because they are having enough of it already. But to protect myself, I am taking my money out of there. So I recommend you to do the same and come to Bybit. And if you don't like Bybit because of the new implementation of KYC, in the second link of my description, you're going to have access to another exchange, a reliable one as well, but that doesn't require KYC, Bitflex. And without further ado, guys, let's go to the charts. And I want to congratulate you once more if you got into this long position right here, because you are now at massive profits. On yesterday's video, we said that was very important for us not to close candles below this level of these two supports right here, and we did so. We did close, unlike these other times right here. We closed some candle below these levels this time. But the thing here is, if you zoom in and we go to the 1 hourly chart here, you can see that we had signs of weakness of the bears. We can see here that we formed this low, and after we tried to break this low, failed, but we formed a lower low. While in the RSI, we had a low and we made a higher low. This is pretty good to the bulls and they did take action here. They did step in and we saw this massive, nice, pumpy action. Our target, as I mentioned on the other video, is all the way up to the resistance of the falling wedge right here. But I am taking some action exactly right now on my long position, and this action is to realize to close some part of my position at these levels right here. Rodrigo, why? We still have 4% more until we hit our target. Why are you going to be closing 30-20% of your position right now? To protect myself, guys. Because if the market goes all the way down to the level of this support, for example, and stop me out, this trade was profitable already. I made some gains right here. And if we do come to our target right here, I am still in my position with 80 or 70%, which means I am transforming my position in a win-win situation. If we go down and I am stopped out, it's a win situation. And if we keep going up and hit our target, it is a win situation as well. And by the way, the highest probability here for us would be to have some corrections, right? Because nothing goes up forever in a straight line like this. So it would be pretty natural for us to have some kind of correction or sideways action, some consolidation right here. It is also very important to mention, guys, the weekly time frame. Let me get rid of all these drawings right here and bring us this 200 moving average. Guys, we dipped below the level of the 200 EMA, and if we would have closed the candle with the body right here, for example, most probably a disaster would be ahead for the Bitcoin. But no, guys, we just dipped below. We were below this for 1 day or some hours, I don't know. but not for a long time. And so far, we are having a hammer at this important level of support. And if we manage to close this way, it would be very bullish for the Bitcoin price, guys. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for being here with me until the end. If you like this content, smash the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused.